Okay, good afternoon. Yes, that is the entire dashboard laying on the front seats, basically. All in search of a little box that went right there on these two studs that I needed to get to. So I had to take out the whole damn dashboard, the center console, steering wheel had to come down. So if you get a early model 90s General Motors, especially like a Firebird, and you can't start it and you pin it down to where it's the security system, the security control module hides right back here. And you got to do all this just to get to it, to replace and or test the damn thing. Yeah, fun times, huh?